Hey movers and challengers, your global career coach is back with another exciting opportunity straight from Germany. And unlike a lot of opportunities that we talk of on this platform and elsewhere, this one you do not need visa sponsorship. In fact, this is a program that the German government, a city in Germany, is running on their own accord, specifically targeting non-EU nationals. Yes, you heard that right, and you heard it first on this platform. So today we're going to talk about this path-breaking program, which is called Make in Munich. Why does this program even exist? How you can join it? What benefits does it offer? And how it can be a launchpad for your career in Germany. So let's go. Hello and namaste, my name is Nidhi Nagori and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a regular viewer of my channel, then thank you so much for stopping by and spending time with me yet again. I'm Nidhi, I'm a finance professional. I've lived and worked in over 30 countries, and I'm the CEO and founder of Globology. With Globology, our mission is to make global opportunities accessible to one and all. So if you are looking for a global opportunity for yourself, hit that subscribe button and stay connected. I'm going to divide this video into 5 small parts. First, we're going to talk about why does Germany or Munich even need you. Then we talk about why the government launched this specific program. Then we talk about the fun stuff. Start with the salary, tell you all the benefits and the perks. And then I tell you how to apply and close the video. So there's a lot of info to cover. Get your notebook and pens ready and make sure you take screenshots as we go along the video. First, let's talk about what's happening in Germany and why do they really need foreign workers. Here's the real deal. The German economy is crunching. It needs 288,000 skilled foreign workers every year to just level up until 2040. Otherwise, what happens? The workforce shrinks by at least 10% and there's a massive crash in opportunities. Today, there's over 1.5 million vacancies across the country. This is not just hard to fill, it's a crisis. And they're seeing critical gaps in healthcare, IT, tech, engineering, trades, you name it, and Germany has a problem. And that's why Germany's got a new blueprint to fight this, which is the new program, the Make It in Munich program. Which brings me to part 2. Why did the government really launch it? So this program is meant to be the official gateway for talented non-EU nationals to enter the Munich economy and make it stronger and robust. It's backed by the City of Munich's Department of Labour and Economic Development and funded by the EU's AMIF fund. So this isn't just a side hustle. It's a legit government-endorsed and run infrastructure to get talented non-EU nationals into the country. And it fits into the bigger Skilled Immigration Act, which was designed to fast-track visa access, lower the salary thresholds, and attract talent like you to help Europe's powerhouse. Which takes me to part 3. Why does this program even work for you? What benefits do you get? First, let's talk wages. Munich pays well. The average salary is about 63,000 euros gross and 40,000 euros net. Hit 80k gross and you're living premium. Rent, weekends, freedom, all. Now let's talk about the specific perks of this program itself. First, they have free online German classes by this institute. Then they also offer free IT and digital skills training with Ready School. Also, they give you virtual career counseling and job prep support from this department. And they have seminars, application prep, and integration tools. All of this at your doorstep without even setting your foot in Germany. And what happens if you got no visa? Well, no problem. As long as you're targeting a work visa, EU Blue Card, or something similar, this program's got your back. And that's a great segue into how do you apply in 3 easy steps. First, head to their website and take the quick check. In step 2, if you are eligible, you will unlock registration. Online consultations, events, language classes, digital prep, all free. And step 3, before you arrive, you will be job ready, language ready, and culture ready. All of this at no cost before you even move. So look, Germany is screaming for talent, and Munich is putting the welcome mat out with training programs, coaching, and access. All that is missing is you. So if you've got the skills and the drive, and if you want to upgrade your life and your career, go right now to the Make It in Munich website, smash the quick check button and apply. And if you want more global career opportunities and insider hacks, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. And that's it. Let's level up together. I hope you found this video useful and I hope you will share this video with a friend. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep leveling up, my friend. Take care, stay safe. Namaste.